was me coming face to face with some of Doctor Who's old enemies. You can find out exactly what we were getting up to in the heart of the Wiltshire countryside a bit later on in the programme.
But before monsters from outer space, we've got a giant right here in the studio. Not a character off the telly or from a fairy tale like Jack and the Beanstalk, but a real, live, four-legged one.
He's Ladbroke aristocrat, all 1900 weights of him, a member of the heaviest breed of horse in the world, the Shire. And he hit the headlines last Saturday when he won the title Supreme National Champion Stallion at the National Shire Horse Society Spring Show.